Alright guys, today I want to show you how to make a fondue. I'm talking about going to a restaurant, but make it ourselves. I mean, kind of like the cheapest way. I mean, it's like, we always done, when I was growing up. There really isn't any secret to it or anything, but still, maybe certain tricks. Alright, so let's go to the supermarket, alright? Really is a piece of cake. Probably go into that shop here and buy one, but you'd be paying a lot more. So we're going to Co-op. Right, gotta put on the stupid mask. Protect you from the virus, right? So here we are. Probably the first Swiss supermarket you've seen, right? Alright, so it doesn't look good on the bread side of things. Alright, anyway, let's do this. So at that other supermarket, it was all out of bread already. Come on. The other place. Otherwise we have to go to the bakery, which is a bit further down. Let's do this. The mask requirement at the supermarkets. That sucks, but what you gonna do? Let's try to get some more food here. Let's be ours. First with the bread. We gotta check the bread. Here we go. Take that. And take a second one, because you don't want to end up with not enough bread. That would suck. Let's see where they have the fondue. I know it must be in the back because it's the cheese products. And yeah, there we go. They don't have the Gerber. I would have bought the Gerber, but they don't have it. So, I don't know, Swiss style. Appenzella. Appenzella is another mountainous region in Switzerland, but Swiss style, I don't know. Appenzeller, I don't know. Let's try it, alright? We got garlic, we got white wine. You don't need the white wine, but wine, There's only one cashier open. Well, it's only the corona pandemic, right? That's some bullshit. I get some wine, a little bit of white wine, yeah. The wine section here is actually in Grindelwald. You better go to Co-op. You get cheaper wine. I mean, if that's what you want, All right, guys. There we are. So let's slaughter that baby. Guys, that's my humor. Unpack the cheese, cut the bread, warm it up, and eat it. Like that. We're here, of course, but it's just for tourists. Not true, by the way. These guys are running. Up, 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 up. Are coming in. We've got the perfect scenario for this fondue evening. I wouldn't even know if my kids will like it. Never had a fondue. I'm born with a fondue gem, It's not how it works. I might be actually. Actually, I haven't had fondue in a while. In years. We're hardly ever around. And I'm not eating fondue when I'm in Malaysia or in Pakistan or in Ecuador, right? Oh yeah, guys, if you're new here, I'm in Grindelwald. I'm from Basel. We're a family of 4 and soon to be 5. And we're actually permanently traveling the world, We have been for the past 4 years, but we're here on a visit. So during that visit, I'll be showing, a few videos from Switzerland. And use that cabin. My wife's parents own this cabin here, so that's a cool thing. So let's try to eat a fondue like the Swiss would. Secret, I tell you. Thing I have to tell you, like when you're up in the mountains like us, there's too many clouds now, but at one point you're gonna have to eat a fondue. And this better be not in a restaurant, If you're in a hotel, you're screwed. You need a kitchen, You don't need a kitchen really, but you need, everything you need. Usually if you're renting a holiday apartment, they'll have, a caclo, which is a fondue pan. I'll show you. Same thing goes for an Airbnb, I guess. There's so much. I think they like moonshine. All right, let's go in. All right. Quick, get some fondue. We're here, and we've got our fondue, we've got lots of bread, we've got some garlic cloves, we got our cocklo, which is, you know, like a fondue pot, right? And cocklo is actually an old Swiss-French term. I don't know exactly, but it means comes from cocklo, comes from kachel, which because it's earthenware, and you know, let's unpack this, and you get 2 of them packages. You know, usually we'll only eat probably 1 of them because you know they're quite you know, there's 800 grams, 400 grams each, and we're just like 2 adults and 2 kids. But let's just put everything inside. And then, you know, with the leftovers, you can still, I'll tell you later on, you could, you know, and the next day you could make kasnit, which is like bread, which is cheese on top, which is also a good thing, right? Let's take some of the garlic and just rub it, you know, rub it on to the cocklo, right? Let's call it fondue pot, right? And then it's just, you know, a little bit, you know, and lots of people don't use the garlic. I do because I like the garlic. Anyway, so that's, and then you take this to the heater and turn it on, all right? So far, very easy, and it stays that way. Let's just cut them open. See? And then put them in here. See, there's a lot of liquid, and then there's that cheese chunk. Put in both. Second one as well. We're not going to eat the whole thing, but the leftovers are grand on bread next day. All right. So let's hope that it is heating up very soon. All right, so you can make little chunks. See, now it's starting to blubber. Oh yes. So it's liquefying more and more. Now we're having the cheese fondue is coming to life, but let it burn a little bit. Some of that liquid, so we can, you know, have it on the cocklo. Now cut the bread into pieces. Well, you're not eating pieces. Some people even cut like squares, but you know, you can just, you know, just rip them, right? Right, and let's do like this paste. See, it's not a big flame, but it needs to stay warm. All right, so the fondue is ready. Hey. All right, let's put it on there, and then hey guys, let's eat. All right. Why don't you sit in the back, hey, guys? It's all good. Wow. So you take then a piece of bread and make little pieces. Oops. You know, like whatever. They could be squares. Some people make squares, as I told you. Anyway, it's good. All right. So let's take one and just go inside, right? Inside of the cheese fondue. Oh, I like it. Not too hot. Not with your hand. That could be too hot, by the way. So anyway, so let's take this out here, and of course it's a bit hot. And let's see if that Appenzeller fondue is any good. Yes, It's good. It's not the Gerber, and it's not the expensive cheese mix that you can buy in like a cheesery, but it's good. Yeah, anyway. Oh, good, little lady. See, you got the Swissness in your blood, right?
Yeah, can you cool down?
It's very good, huh? Yes, you blow that. Is it good? Yeah, it is.
Ja, zum
Hey.
Abschlag geht
My wife. Lots of people put white wine in it, or kirsch, which is a liquor made from cherries. But you know, since we're eating with the kids and the pregnant wife, we're not doing that, right? Is it good? Ah, yes, it's that good. Important is that you know, that this is going, you know, that is, it's not like burning on the ground. Yeah. My first fondue in
Long time.
maybe 3 years or 4 years. Not sure. Good, eh? Good. It's garlic. The garlic makes the big difference. I told you that. Huh?
Das ist sehr cool aus.
It does, right? It looks cool. And it tastes cool. It tastes really good. I think it's cool enough. So how is the Appenzeller fondue?
Fantastic.
It is fantastic, right? Yes. It really is. Oh, I was not expecting this. Of course, I am showing you a fondue video only with the best fondue, right? Although they didn't have the best one. All right. Let's, from this angle, see how the awesomeness of this liquid hot cheese, you know? Ah.
Lieber der Buchstabe kauft.
Traditionally, you drink, you eat fondue, you drink with a glass of, let's say, it's called a fermented grape juice. This is a Swiss white wine. And, yeah. Yeah, some people put it inside of it, but, you know, with the kids and the pregnant wife, as I said. But I'll try a little bit of white wine. It's good. It's good. It's the Florence. Chasselas Roman. This is a Schweizer Landwein, a white wine from Switzerland. Or don't drink alcohol, or if you're pregnant or whatever, if you're a kid, you drink black tea traditionally with sugar. The kids don't want any wine and don't want any cheese, so they're drinking apple juice, which is okay too anyway, right? Right. That's out. Cheers for you guys. All right, and we've got some garlic on that. The garlic makes the whole difference. Lots of people don't use the garlic. It's not a must, right? Oh, guys, whoa. That was good. I'm like full. I'm so stuffed now. I have to call the police. I think I ate too much. Oh, an ambulance, please. I forgot the most important. After eating, you have a kirsch from Switzerland. This is only 37.5% alcohol. Usually it's got to be 40, but since I don't drink so much of that hot liquor, it'll do. Hey guy, I'm trying to talk to the camera. And by the way, this is the Basel flag where I'm from. Anyway, cheers guys. Oh. Good. I need to step out into the balcony. There'll be rain maybe later on. It doesn't matter. We're inside. Nice, so that was our fondue video. I've probably forgotten to mention lots of things, but you know, that's why we do it, right? The real Swiss. We're real Swiss, right? You're not answering? That's okay. Guys, take care and see you in the next video. Hopefully. Bye-bye. Wait, I forgot to mention, we did eat the whole thing, so no leftovers tomorrow. Which is sad. Anyway, bye-bye.